We'll guide you through how to download Minecraft maps or worlds on CurseForge. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, there are loads of different types of worlds and maps on here. There are different builds you can go and download and different sort of ways you could play Minecraft, like Skyblock or OneBlock. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Now, we found the best way of doing this is via the CurseForge app. So we're going to guide you through that. You can press Get CurseForge app in the top right and press Download Standalone. It'll then go and download. Just make sure it does download. Now, just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, make sure you go and check out the link in the pinned comment and in the description. You can easily go and play with your friends with it. We can go and scroll down and check out some of their great features. You can go and get a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support for your always online server, and automated backups. And you can upload worlds you want here as well. So now we've gone and downloaded CurseForge, you need to go and open up your file explorer and go to your downloads. Go and install CurseForge. I already have it, it's like any other. For this to go and work, you do need to have Minecraft installed and signed in. Go and open it up and go to the left and try and find Minecraft. If it isn't there, press the plus, add a game, and you can scan it or manually add it. Come to the top and you can go and press browse. Then go to the left where it says mod packs and you can go and scroll down and go and find worlds. And then you can see all these different worlds you can get. You can go and search for something specific as well at the top. OneBlock, we can see that at the top there. You can press install to the right and you can press new profile in the bottom left. Give this a name. You can just go and name it what the map was called. Then you press create. Now you can go and wait for it to go and download. When it's finished, you can go to the right and you can go and press play. We'll press continue and we'll then go into single player and there it is. You can press play selected world and then you can go and play it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.